So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a new mock-up, that is an ice cream packaging. Okay, so let's start. First, as you know, we'll take paint tool and create outline the shape. Let's do it. You can zoom in with Ctrl plus. Make sure you tap all the parts. Here I'm just fast forwarding it because it's very long. Now make sure you take every curve. Okay, you can decrease the speed from YouTube and then you can watch it if you want to in slow. Then make sure you do all the points very nicely. Here you take help of anchor point tool and make the curves as it is. See, I'm not missing even one curve, one wave, so it will give it a realistic look. I'm doing all this with add anchor point tool. Okay, it might take you a little time. Here I'm showing it in fast forward, remember that. Make sure you take a tight selection. Now that we have created the shape of ice cream packet, we'll go with the ice cream. First, in the similar process, we will do the ice cream. First, we'll do the upper part, the edible part. Then add anchor point tool and make sure the curves are nice. There you go. Then again take the paint tool and do the bottom part, the wooden part. Then again anchor tool and the curves below. Every time you draw with the paint tool, make sure you decrease the opacity so that you can see it clearly. We have told this in our previous videos also. If you have not checked it out, go check it out. We have very easy mock-ups in our channel. Then after you are done, then zoom out and name the layers as shape 1, shape 2, or like it's a stick, ice cream, however you want to, according to your understanding, you can just name them. Then group them and name them object ID. If you master one video or watch one video, you will get a rough idea how to do it. But in every video, we come up with some new tricks. So if you're new here, go and check out our old videos to know some new tricks, new and interesting tricks. That will make your job a lot easier. Now we'll take a rectangle here and then we'll draw it over the packet. We'll select the packaging layer, then we'll take mask and see it has taken the shape, right? Now similarly, the selection, convert to smart object. Then another one, another rectangle downwards. Convert it to smart object. And then name them. Okay, stick 1, stick and bar and packet or something, whatever you want to. Now we'll color the smart objects to identify them better. We'll make it red. Then group them and bring them very top, the object ID at the very top. Always keep the object ID at the top. Okay. Now we have already created the design. Now we will take the photo and adjust it according to the packet. There you go. Now you have to save. Don't forget to save it, because if you don't save it, it will not be updated. And if you save it, you'll see it automatically updated in the main picture. Now for the stick, we have done something new. For this, we will follow the arrow and see I am taking some text. Then I'm writing a text here. I'm writing Mockup art. Then rotate it and then adjust it right in the middle and then save it. Now see, the stick has already been updated. We'll off the layer there, okay? Make sure to switch off the layer, the smart object layer, okay? The color layer actually. Then you'll see the realistic part there. Now we'll select all three of them and then make a selection of all together. Then Control Shift and we can select everything. And then Control J and copy. And then we'll make 3 copies of them. Sorry, I've made 4 of them, now 3, yeah. Now shadow. Midtone, name them separately. And light. Now copy them, file them, group them. Bring the group right below the object ID. And if you switch off it, you'll be able to see it. Switch on, switch off, and make sure you can see the difference. First switch off the both layers and then just switch on the light layer and screen. Then the midtone and select the options that you think you want to. Then from there, image and edit it. Select the layer, image, adjustments, and make the adjustments here. I'll decrease the midtone a little, just so it's just to give it a very realistic look. A little bit, yes. There you go. Now if you switch on and switch off all the layers, you will be able to see the differences. See, I'm changing the colors here. I'll give it a chocolatish color. You can give it or make it of any flavor you wish. Then you can multiply it also. Then selecting the underlayer, and we'll give it a solid color, linear bird. Now we will take that layer and adjust the colors, and that's it. And we are ready with your ice cream mockup. Now you can make your own ice cream mockup. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.